Hello, good morning, dear student. Today, in our activity, we are going to see diya decorations, wall hanging piece we are going to do because now Diwali is going to come. Yes, so we have to decorate our house, and for the decoration, because mama is busy to preparing sweets. Yes, so we have to decorate our house. So for that, today see which material is need to us. One scale, Fevicol, scissor, and any types of color paper. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, look here, 15 centimeters long, sorry, 20 centimeter long. Okay, you have to take the length, and we have to cut the strips. So these are scale measurement we are going to take here. See here, like this, our scale measurement we are going to take. And now we have to cut these strips. Okay, then we will get like this strips. Okay, now we have to fold it properly, like this. Okay, whole paper we have to fold it like this. See here, student, after folding these whole strips we will get like this. Yes, so then we have to do like it. Okay, and this part now we have to stick it. So for that sake we are going to take one small strip, put there Fevicol, and stick this part, one part to this side like this. Okay, and the another part to this remaining. It will stick. Okay, stick it and keep aside. See your student, then like this you will get diya's downside part. Now to prepare their shoti, we need yellow color paper. Okay, so small part of yellow color sheet we are going to take. See, like this. It is maximum measure according your diya size, you can take it. Okay, and now again this paper also we have to fold it properly like this. Same way up to end, fold it. See here, after complete the fold it will get like this. Then take their center point and again fold it middle. Okay, and press it properly. Press it properly. And now this middle part put here some Fevicol and stick it. Okay, like this. Stick it and then slightly open that folds. Okay, it will get like this. Now to hanging that all diyas mala, we need one rod. So already I prepared here one rod like this with the help of cardboard paper, and for decorate I put here golden color lace. Okay, so like this you can also prepare it. Now we have to stick this diya's jyoti to this diya. Okay, see here. So put here and see, your diya is ready. Now we need thread. Now I am showing you how I prepared. See here student, already I prepared like this mala. Okay, so you can also prepare like this. Here I use this pink color paper and golden color paper. I cut it first of all golden color strips, then I stick on this like this strips. Downside I stick these golden color strips and then I folding it. This all paper I folded. Okay, now after complete your like this diya, okay, then you stick this on this thread. Okay, then it will get like this. Now we have to hang this to this rod. Okay, so for that sake, see, teacher prepared here lot of mala. I am showing you. Then you have to just hang it to this rod. See here student, then like this wall hanging you will get. Okay, so you also prepared like this wall hanging for this Diwali celebration. Okay, bye. Have a wonderful day and happy Diwali in advance.